Hello my beautiful darlings. So today I'm here with Laurisa and she's my beautiful 8th grader. We want to do something very summery, natural. As you can see, she has like a very glowiness to her and like very like kind of foiled eyeshadows. So for my girls who love shimmer on the eyeshadow, you're going to love this tutorial. And also everything in this tutorial is going to be drugstore, so it's going to be very affordable for you girls out there who are barely like testing into makeup and stuff like that. So if you want to know how to get this beautiful look, continue on watching this video and also give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below. And also, if you want to know more about us, we're going to be doing a Q&A. And yeah, let's continue. So right now we're just going to do a little Q&A. So what do you guys bond over the most?
What do we bond over the most? I think it would have to be
this channel and this, yeah. Like
I think honestly, like makeup, this channel, like she's always been my biggest fan.
Thanks. What is the worst purchase that you've ever made?
Oh, the worst purchase I've ever made. I think that'd have to be my straightening iron that I just got recently. I like paid $100, you guys. $100. And like that thing, the metal, or I don't even know if it's like what kind of like material it's made out of, but like the plates are just, they're not working anymore and it's burning my hair every day that I use it, and I just bought it like 2 weeks ago. So,
that sucks.
Oh yeah.
Mine would have to be probably a couple shirts because like I end up not liking them over time. And it's like, why did I buy that? I don't know.
From what brand?
I don't just like random shirts. Probably Kohl's.
Oh. Yeah, I like never shop at Kohl's. Like who does? Like who shops?
Grandma shops at Kohl's.
You're like grandma? Well, there you go.
Next question. Who's the first celebrity that you've met?
I'd have to say it's definitely going to be Laura G or
Instagram beauty influencers. Oh
yes,
my God,
Instagram beauty influencers. I'm like, I feel like I'm pushing you.
Me and my cousin met Disney Channel stars. We met Cameron Boyce and Karen Brar.
And I was there.
You were there. Yeah.
I was there.
We were at dinner and we saw them. What is your favorite song at the moment?
My favorite song would have to be The Butterfly Reprise from Mariah Carey. And
That's her favorite.
Yes.
I remember when she first got her car and like one time like I think she took me out for a drive and that was all she played.
She remembers. Oh my goodness, she remembers.
That's my song. It would probably have, my favorite song would have to be So Gone by Monica, which is pretty old. Like that was like in like early 2000s.
Really?
Yeah. Or In My Blood by Shawn Mendes.
Ooh, that's a good song.
He's my favorite. Oh my God, I love him so much.
Isn't he so cute?
Yes! I love him.
She's like, he's hot.
He is. Are you named after anybody?
I'm named after Jacqueline Alcazar Kennedy, and she was the wife of John F. Kennedy. And if you guys don't know, but she was like a style fashion icon during the 60s. My mom was really like she looked up to her like her whole life, fashion icon wise. And so then she called me Jacqueline. So that's where we got my name. What about you?
I'm named after a city in Puerto Rico.
Ooh, what's a real name? Is it like still Laurisa or is it?
It's Laurisa.
Ooh, Laurisa. I like her accent, you guys.
What sport did you play as a kid?
I would have to say I played tennis. I played track, and I actually used to do baton.
Okay, I did cheerleading. It's a sport. Yeah, I know some people are gonna say it's not a sport. I think it's a sport.
No, cheerleading's a sport.
Cheerleading, I did softball.
Okay.
I did.
You can look down.
I'm trying to think. Now I do basketball.
Ooh. Not all the way up, just kind of like, there you go.
What's your guys' nationality?
So my nationality is definitely Mexican American. What about you?
Mexican, Spanish, and French.
Wait, what? Nobody can hear that. She's
Mexican,
all whispering.
Mexican, Spanish, and French.
Ooh.
And then other things I don't know.
Look down. I didn't know you're French.
We're French.
We are?
Yes.
I didn't even know.
I told you this yesterday.
I know, but I still can't believe it. Look down.
And we're Native American.
That's crazy. French are so beautiful. Like, their people are very, very pretty.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings. I have my older brother, his name's Matthew, and then I have my little sister, her name's Danielle, and she's like a high schooler, like she's going to be. Well, next year you are.
Next year.
She's gonna be a high schooler, it's crazy. And then she's in the junior year? Yeah.
She's gonna be in her junior year.
Yeah. She's gonna be a junior, and then I have my little brother, he's an 8th grader, and his name's John. So yeah.
I have an older brother named Richard and a little brother named Lorenzo.
Mama. There you go.
And
Ooh.
I have a younger brother, but he was a miscarriage and I think it was a boy. So I'm gonna say I have 3 brothers.
That's okay.
So I always say that I have 3.
Aww. You're such a good sister. I bet if he was like still alive, like he would love you. Like, you're such an amazing person.
Yeah.